Look at that. Greetings and welcome to Cooking with Squirrel. If you're new here, I'm the Squirrel. Today we're going to make a buffalo chicken sandwich and a buffalo turkey sandwich from our Thanksgiving leftovers. This is a new series of sandwiches. I'm going to do a whole new sandwich series, but this is also super simple, so it falls into the super simple snacks category. Really, really easy. So we've got, for the one sandwich, we've got some leftover turkey breast, some dinner rolls, buffalo sauce, some cheese, provolone in this case, and then on the other sandwich we're going to do lunchmeat chicken, and we'll slice that up and we'll serve it on a toasted Italian, like grocery store Italian bread, and then we can dip with some ranch, or you can dip it with some blue cheese. And if you really like blue cheese, you should try my recipe, which will be right up there in the corner. All right, so let's prep our ingredients. Not a whole lot to do here. We're going to slice some dinner rolls. Grab our Italian, and just to be a heathen, I'm going to start right in the center. And we'll get a nice kind of thick slice here. And another. We'll start with our turkey. We're just going to slice this thin, and chef snack. We want about a 1/4 pound. Let's see where we're at. 2.4, 3.4, and 4 ounces. Now we've got our chicken lunch meat, and we're going to slice this into about 1/4 inch wide strips, just roughly. This is going to crumble up when we cook it, so that's all that really matters. Here we go. Believe it or not, that's all the prep. Let's get into the cook. Let's get this burner going. We'll go about medium heat. Get a pan on. We're gonna put our bread in. A little oil. You could use whatever you like. You could do butter if you wanted. I'm just gonna do some neutral oil. Okay, we're gonna go oil side down. Grab a chef press. These are awesome. They'll help keep stuff nice and in contact with the pan. Get you better browning. Give them another check. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Nice and toasty. We'll set that over here. Good enough for me. We're going to leave the rolls. The rolls we're going to leave just nice and soft. Next up, we're going to get our chicken in. We'll do chicken first. A little oil in the pan. We just want to get this warmed up and maybe a little caramelization on it. There we go. This is going to go super quick. Let's turn this down a hair. You could also do this with turkey lunch meat. That's actually the very first time I did it was turkey lunch meat. This happens to be chicken. So we're gonna, little color, little heat. Doesn't take much. You know, you don't have to be a fancy toss guy. You can use a little spatula. This is almost done, believe it or not. So we're going to go 2 tablespoons of buffalo sauce, Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce. You can make your own. This already has the butter in it, so it's emulsified with butter. That's what makes it buffalo sauce instead of just hot sauce. So we'll go 2 tablespoons of that in, and cook that in a little bit. That's pretty much it. And on we go, right onto our sandwich. Few pieces of cheese. This is provolone, extra thin. Torch time. If you don't have one of these, it's awesome to have in your kitchen. Now you can do this under a broiler if you wanted to, but this will work for me. All right, that's that. Cap that. I think I did that backwards, didn't I? Well, we got crunchy side out on one side, so it's pretty on one side. That wasn't the brightest thing I've ever done. Let's do our turkey rolls now. Oil in with our turkey. Get this spread out a little bit. And we'll go in with a little salt, a little pepper, a little tossy toss. We can chop this up a little bit, since these are bigger pieces than the chicken was. The whole key here is that we need lots of surface area for all that sauce to stick to. So we don't want big pieces, or we'll just have sauce dripping out everywhere. We want the sauce basically like stuck to all the little pieces. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, that's pretty much hot already. So we're gonna go in with another 2 tablespoons of our buffalo sauce. Nice. All right, we're gonna turn this off. That's it done already. This time we're gonna use tongs so we can control a little better, since we have such a small spot we're trying to put these on. And some of it's gonna get away. That's all right. That's all right. I made a mess. Cooking's messy sometimes. No, get back up. Oh my God, I'm making such a mess. Well, this isn't gonna be the thumbnail for sure, but it will be delicious. Cheese on. Back with fire. And the cheese will help keep the bits from getting loose again. Do be careful not to get your plate too hot when you're doing this. There we go. Let's lid these up. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I did make a giant mess. Let's cut our sandwich in half. Let's get this in my face hole. Sandwich first, because it's a little less hot. Look at that. Look at all that deliciousness. You get your cheese, like awesome chicken, and in we go. Such a great, easy, it's so fast. Like, this comes together in like 5 minutes, really. It's so fast, so delicious. Way better than just like a lunch meat, just lunch meat sandwich. This is awesome. Give it a shot. And then we have our turkey leftovers, which everybody's gonna have a little bit of. And if your turkey's dry, this will fix it, because you got all this delicious sauce all over it. That is phenomenal. That's so good. Give this a shot. Both of these are awesome. Just the technique of cutting stuff down so that sauce sticks to it. You could do this with barbecue sauce. You could do it with different hot sauces. Hell, you could do it with gravy. You can make like a hot gravy turkey. Like, just toss it on the sandwich. The whole key here is getting lots of surface area. So give it a shot. And if you do make this, tag me on Instagram, Cooking with Squirrel, just like it is here on YouTube. If you made it this far in the video, you seem to have liked what I'm doing. So if you could do all the YouTube things, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any positivity in your life, please try and pay it forward. Go out there and make the world just a little bit better place. And thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to check out another one of my videos, you can check out one up here. And then if you're interested in the food and philanthropy videos, which is why I started the channel, you can find a playlist of them down here.